Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a few things that I bought today. Some of this stuff that I've been wanting to try for a while and it's just not been available in my Walmarts, and some of the stuff that I just thought I'd give it a try, a first time thing. So I'm going to show you what I got today, and I'm going to start with these Equate Walmart brand facial wipes. It says to compare to the Pond's original fresh wet cleansing towelettes. So I've not tried the Pond's version, but I was needing some new makeup wipes, so I thought I'd give those a try. And it says they're paraben free with vitamin E, so that sounds like stuff that would be good for your skin. Completely removes makeup for fresh, clean skin. Now, a lot of times, I usually don't like these wipes because I feel like they leave a residue on my face. So, I mainly wanted these for here at my makeup table. You know, because when you're swatching and all of that, which I've usually been using baby wipes, but sometimes a makeup wipe does better. So, that's where I'll be using those at mainly. Okay, and I'm trying, I don't have any false lashes on today. I'm trying a new mascara, and it's been on quite a while, but it's the new Loreal Voluminous Mascara. I know I'm behind, but it's the Lash Paradise that everybody just loves. And so what I'm wearing today is just the regular version. This is my first day of wearing it, but I picked up the waterproof. Although I've used, my eyes are usually watery in the morning, and I use eye drops to get that redness out. And so this has stayed on pretty good compared to some other mascaras I've used. When I put the eye drops in and the water starts running, then so does the black lines, if you know what I mean. So I thought I'd try the waterproof mascara, because even though I like how this has worked so far, but it's not held my curl. When I curl my eyelashes and then put mascara on, even though it's kind of this formula, just the regular formula, was dry, it didn't hold it. So I'm gonna try the waterproof, and I may do another video and update you on that if you'd be interested. And I saw Emily Noel do these new Milani eyeshadows. There's two different ones, and this one is the mattes, the most loved mattes. It says a matte color for every mood. This should work very well for me because I'm a moody person. I'm in a different mood. I think it's every day at least, if not 2 or 3 times in the day, my mood changes. But anyway, so that's the kind of bright box that's in. I'll take it out and show you if you've not seen it. It's the pretty gold packaging, and on the back it has the shade names, and it's got a nice mirror, and there is what it looks like. Now, to me, at a glance, it kind of makes me think of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it has this first row looks like just your standard neutrals, and then kind of a plummy shades, and then kind of those orangey shades. So we'll have to see what that's like. Give that a try. Because Emily Noel, I think, if I'm remembering right, she really liked these new palettes by Milani. Which I don't have any other Milani eyeshadows to compare them to, though. And now that we're with the eyeshadows, I think I showed you in another video of the new Wet n Wild palettes, and I had got what is it, the Rose in the Air and the Comfort Zone. And so I decided to go ahead and get not a basic peach. So I will be trying that out and seeing what those colors and how well that performs. I like those shades though. And while I was there at it, I wanted to try this purple palette. I have the other big palette, and it's in one of my older videos. If you would want to go look that up, I can't remember what it was called. Pedal Pusher, I think, might have been it. Well, this is the Pedalette, and it has the 3 shades and then the transition shade here. Now, what I really like about Wet n Wild is, I don't know if it's where you all go or not, it probably is, but a lot of the makeup has been opened and swatched and played in and stuff, and I really don't like that. One thing about it, Wet n Wild, everything I've seen of Wet n Wild has not been tampered with, but it is frustrating when you get it home and try and get it open yourself. So, but I think that's real good that it's not opened in the store because of the way they've packaged it and sealed it up. And I went ahead and got another, used to be called Creme Brulee, and now they've just put it down to Brulee, and it's not the same. This is the last one that I got, and it is still yet not exactly like the first one that I ever had. And I don't know if you can tell from if that shows up on the video or not, but the one at the top is darker and looks like a whole different shade, in my opinion, compared to the bottom one. So y'all can let me know if you've tried the new one and what you think compared to the old one, because that's probably what I plan on doing as well. And you know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. You know, so if it's good and it's selling good, and I know there's a whole lot of people that really likes this on YouTube in the makeup, and it's this one, and you know, repurchases, they keep, you know, repurchasing it because it's that good. And so I don't know why they would want to go and change the formula and change the color, you know, when it's not necessary. I can see changing the packaging, you know, but not the product itself. Okay, and then the other thing I got, and I don't remember exactly. I saw Emily Noel do a video of this, and I wasn't sure when I saw this what her review was on it. I was thinking she liked them, but I could have been wrong. But I thought I would want to try them anyway. And right now, my makeup brushes are all dirty, especially the foundation brushes, and even my sponges are dirty. And I procrastinate over everything, and that includes washing brushes. So, that's really probably about the only time I like a makeup sponge, a beauty sponge, is when my brushes are dirty. And this is like 3 different sizes. And I don't know what these white ones will wash up like, because, you know, usually the pink ones and the other colors, apart from a black one, usually get some kind of stain after it's used a lot, and especially depending on you know, how dark your makeup is, the shade of your makeup is. So I'll get back with you on that if you want me to. And if you've tried these, let me know what you think. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my little beauty makeup haul today. So if you want to see any more about any of these, or want me to review it, or, you know, anything like that, then just leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate you doing so and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.